everybody? This is Bo83. Haven't posted in like 2 years. As you know, it's 2019. And we got the cool school day called off today because it's negative 60 below. So you know we're gonna have to try to throw boiling water outside and see what happens. Here, okay. Yep. Wow. Oh my.
Did that work?
Oh yeah, that worked. Guys, you can actually see where the water was. I'll show you real quick. Okay, it's so like damp right here. But then when you come over here, it's like regular snow. And over here, it's super, super damp. So I hope you guys really like that little montage there. It's just something to do on a snow day because we got to go off. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Be expecting more videos from me soon, hopefully. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.